birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Louder, one more time. Hold. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya EJ. Happy birthday. Okay, now.
Wow!
What is your wish for your birthday? I wish everybody to have good luck.
Wow!
This is for everybody.
Polynesian to.
Galing mo
Okay,
ang
I ask
pag-wish.
everyone. Okay. Hey, all the kids here later wala kayong gift kapag hindi kayo mag-wish. Okay. Wala na din si Kuya Kakas. What can you say for KJ birthday? Happy birthday, Kuya. Hey. I'm not, it's not a give it. It's not a give it. You have to wish for him.
What's your wish for?
What I wish for you to have good luck. Good luck and what? And best life. Best life. Okay. Say happy birthday, Kuya. Say it. Birthday, Jay. Okay, thank you. Sebi, the best friend. Come here. Come here.
Hey, yo!
Say something about EJ. I want you to say everything about EJ. Okay. Go.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Anything.
Ha? Good luck din. Good luck. Alright, you got many good lucks now. Yeah.
I wish if he was a good person.
Okay.
And then this life. Because you don't have to work for me because
That's a lot.
I don't know what I
Good.
want.
Keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up.
Let me translate to
Keep up, keep up,
I
keep up.
wish him to be the greatest kid in the world.
No, I said
The goodest kid.
Oh, the goodest kid in the world. What else? What else?
Sabi ni Kas, that's a lot.
Not only that you, I was already for money, but not. Because I thought that I would be like,
You know.
Yan na.
but,
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
It's okay. Happy birthday.